Alright, doing the second half of the seeds. Lots of carrots, chilies, more tomatoes, cucumbers around there. Just loosening the soil a little bit more for these seeds. I'm going to be walking over it, so walking over the loosened soil. Cauliflower, good. Here, mix the onion. Some drills. Trying to keep it organised so you know where they are. Or like some idea where they might be. We've got the tomatoes, chili, paprika at the back there. Bit of a attractive pick and mix. Why not make veg beautiful? In the ground before I lose track of where I put the seeds. Existing rows. That's why I'm not using that cultivator to spread the soil now, because it will mix the seeds all over the place.
True.
La 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 la.
Alright.
La 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 la.
I thought you had to dig holes in the ground.
Oh yeah. I loosened the soil there. Just very shallow holes, because these little seeds are just gonna disappear if they're too deep. But gotta loosen the soil here too, though. Got some seeds over there. I want to mix them in this way.
Yeah,
I want his flag.
probably about here.
But and they're meant to go in the ground.
Yeah, I'll mix them into the ground in a minute. It's quite a lot. I'm not so sure that these would exactly fit in. Like, what is it? Parsnip. Yeah, they'd fit in.
Yeah, go with that.
I thought they were going to be huge ones.
Will that be too much in there, wouldn't it?
Nah, it'll be great. Well, maybe. I guess parsnips are like this big.
Yeah, yeah. Dad, put that one in. Give me that
Okay,
one.
there you go. Largish.
How much space have you got on your garden?
Kind of like this kind of space. Well, it's like 4x4
Well,
meters.
Well, go in there. You reckon what? Come up to here?
Yeah, I want pumpkins,
could do,
Eve
why not?
friends, for the
In
kids.
the grass. Yeah.
I want a pumpkin there and a pumpkin there for the kids. I had to get them.
Okay.
Biggest ones I could
Well,
find.
what about if we took the grass up to here, where you are here? Off.
Why don't you get another video? Can I?
Oh, yes. You gotta go.
I'm watching you. You're filming now.
Oh, skip. I'm gonna
Get out of the way.
get them in. Get the. If I use the.
I hope the birds don't nick the seeds.
Yeah. I'm gonna make sure it's all buried.
Your hair's a thingy when it's long.
What?
All fuzzy.
It goes that and then it grows and goes curly long.
Oh, cool. I could play that. I need to learn how to do it. Yeah, it feels like a shape. You do.
Yeah.
We should get a van.
You sick perv.
Well, the birds don't tend to like these seeds usually. They're like more sunflower seeds, or maybe some of these bigger ones, but I'll make sure I bury them.
Yeah, we get some sunflowers in this. That's what we can put in that part.
Yeah, sunflowers.
Yeah, against the wall. Let him have competition or whatever, who can grow the longest.
Biggest.
I'll be tipping energy drink for mine to grow it.
That's true.
Or a bit of coffee. Can plants like coffee?
No.
Well, it might be
Because
just
caffeine might stimulate them to grow.
hopefully.
Or a can of Red Bull.
It's good to get rid of little parasite insects, apparently. Where was
What about Red Bull?
I?
They'll give them wings.
You talk some rubbish, I swear to God.
I don't know. I think it's like a chemical.
I only had 5% memory when I was doing it.
That's some big rocks in there.
Not too
Those are rat holes covered.
Yeah.
Yeah. That rat's gonna run away. It's not gonna stick around here.
What's the time, Donna? Because you've got to get going.
Yeah. What are you worrying now?